it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we have our blue warp speed for you today. This is a 90 centimeter wide pattern, so not quite a full meter wide, but still big enough for most large parts. The pattern itself is really, really small, and it's going to be really hard for you to see on this white screen. But that, obviously, for that reason, we're going to dip it to a black speed shape. Any dark color. There's a lot of transparency in this. It's almost useless looking at it on the screen, so we're definitely going to dip that on a dark color for you to really get a better understanding of what it looks like. But it is blue, green, and silver. It's got a metallic finish to it, so again, that will show best on a black base coat, which is what we're going to use. Because the pattern is so small, you can use it on even the tiniest of parts. We are back in the humid summer months, and film does not like to cooperate as well. Not a whole lot of ink there to activate, so not a whole lot of activator needed. This is actually going on black DTP. And I'm telling you guys, if you have problems with paint or you hate painting and you haven't tried DTP, you really need to, because I tell everybody, if I can paint with it, you can paint with it. That's a really pretty pattern. Obviously, to keep that metallic-y look, you will definitely want to use like a, well, I guess you wouldn't have to, but it's really going to make it pop with like our High Solids Gloss Clear or any gloss clear. Now you can really see the colors in it. It is blue, green, and silver, not white as it all appears on the screen. But anyway, that print's great. Patterns like that are generally pretty forgiving, so that's a great pattern for anybody. That is, again, 90 centimeters wide, and that should be in our abstract section. It's also pretty similar to our mean streak pattern, if you're familiar with that. Those are both in the abstract section. Of course, it's at kansashydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.